Hi guys, today I'm sharing one of my favorite comfort drinks, honey citron tea. It's packed with vitamin C, great for sore throats, and perfect for relaxing after a long day. This is super easy to make. Just take a spoonful of the citron and honey mix, add hot water, stir, and enjoy its sweet, citrusy, and so soothing. It tastes like sunshine in a cup. So ayun, try nyo to guys, lalo na pag malamig ang panahon or pag kailangan mo ng konting me time. See you next time. Bye!